Hey guys, welcome back to Coding Flamingo. In the last video we created our Azure Container Registry and our Azure Kubernetes Service cluster. In this video we're gonna, and obviously our backend and frontend service, those are just simple .NET Core samples. We haven't modified any of the code yet. We're just kind of like setting up the infrastructure and testing it out as we go. So in this video we're gonna we're gonna build and push our images into our ACR, so we can start pulling them whenever we create our Helm charts. So let's get started. So I already logged in to the ACR, but it's done with the ACR dot login. ACR login and the name of the ACR, which I copied from here. And then we have to go into the folder, build the image, which Docker image to build, and we tag it with the name of the image that we're going to use, and then we push it. So let's run that part. So F8. Okay, so it doesn't like uppercases. Let's change this. So it's going to fail as well. And let's just change it also in here just in case. Alright, so let's try it again. So now it's building the image. The first time it builds, it'll pull down all the needed stuff. So also while we do this, let's look at the Docker image that we're grabbing. So it's grabbing the base that we're building is the .NET Core 3.1 base. Then from there we build our project. Also, it's important we're exposing port 80. You can change that to any port you want. In this one, we just decided to do port 80 since it was the default. And as I said, this is just as simple as we can do just to get you started with Kubernetes. So, and then it creates the entry point. So now that got done, it's starting to build, and I'm going to fast forward. And actually no need to fast forward, it just started pushing. So now it's pushing to our Kubernetes, not our ACR, and it was able to push. In the meantime, I'm going to start the other one, F8, and while that loads, we're going to go here, and here we can see our subscription, we can see our ACR, and where's my, subscription. Then we have to go to our ACR. So here you can see all our different things we have. Right now we want to check the ACR and the repositories, and we have the front end and the back end. As you can see, it was last updated 401 and it's 404, and last updated 401 as well. And as you keep increasing the tags, you keep growing that. So in the next video, we're going to actually look about how to create a Helm chart and pull those images to be able to deploy into our Kubernetes cluster. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.